Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. I am Kairatyaru, welcome you all. Today we are going to see how to automate WhatsApp message with Python in just 2 lines of code. Now, if you want to send message to your dear ones to wish him for birthday or anniversary, then we can automate the WhatsApp SMS and send at a specific time. So, in this tutorial, we will take full guidance of pywhatkit module to explore how to send SMS in WhatsApp at a specific time. If you have not subscribed to our channel, then subscribe our channel and do support. So let's begin. First, open command prompt and type pip install pywhatkit and hit enter. This module helps us to send a message on a WhatsApp web. So our module is installed successfully. Now open any text editor. I am using Sublime text editor. First we have to import pywhatkit. So write import pywhatkit. For sending message we have to call one method. So write pywhatkit dot send what message, and in this bracket we have to pass 4 arguments. First we have to write number of receivers. After that we have to specify our message like hello world. After that we have to specify the hour and minute. Now let's run the code and see the output. To run the Python code we have to write Python. After that we have to specify the file name and hit enter. So our code is successfully run. So we can see in 27 seconds our web browser will open, and after 60 seconds message will deliver. So we can see our browser is opened and our message is typed. Now after 60 seconds it will send the message automatically. Make sure you have login with web version of WhatsApp. So our message sent successfully. If you have any query, do comment. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned.